is for alligator, snappy and green. B is for bird, flying high and seen. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fox with a bushy red tail. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for horse with galloping feet. I is for iguana, sunning in the light. J is for jaguar, fast as a kite. K is for kangaroo, hopping around. L is for lion with a mighty sound. Roar! M is for monkey, swinging so high. N is for narwhal with a toss to the sky. O is for octopus with arms that twirl. P is for penguin in a snowy world. Q is for quail with a feathered crown. R is for rabbit who hops all around. S is for snake who slithers past. T is for tiger, strong and fast. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale who sings a tune.